Hello, boys and girls. My baby is finally here. Today's unboxing is kind of special because this baby right here is something I have been eyeing for a long time. I mean, a flower pot from Opulence all the way from Kwara State is not cheap. Oh, hey, my flower pot is very bougie. She is expensive, but she's also worth every dime I saved up for her. Because I know she will elevate my space. Oh my god. Oh my god. Screaming beauty, beauty. Just take a look at this beauty. This is not just a pot, it is a statement I'm glad I made. What do you all think?